Yes, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yes, depending on when are you watching this video. Yes, it is another day, a good day, a beautiful day, early in the morning from this end. Yes, I just want to show you the progress of the floating garden that I'm making. It is a new day. As I told you before, I have a lot of activities to do here. One of them being constructing the outdoor cooking stove over there, and the other one is trying to transform the garden, which is just there. So and also I made these floating vegetable beds. As you know, I think you saw the whole process of making this, and in case you didn't watch this, kindly check my last videos. You'll see a lot of content about making these vegetable beds. So today I have a surprise for you. As I told you that these beds are meant to be used as hanging gardens. So I planted some of the seeds somewhere, and the good news is the seeds that I planted here have started to germinate. You can see closely. Yes, there are some seedlings sprouting in this nursery. Yes, it is just a local nursery that I made using this. Yes, using this sack, and I planted coriander seeds here because it's one of the vegetables that I love most. While when I'm cooking is coriander. So the first vegetable I planted is coriander. So these are the coriander seedlings. They are germinating very well. So my plan is to transfer them when they from here to that hanging vegetable beds over here. Yeah, so that they can grow in a nice way. And I'm gonna add some compost manure in these flower beds to make this soil more fertile for the vegetables to grow in a healthy way. So that is the thing that I'm going to do today. And apart from that, also today is the day that I'm gonna bring in the bricks to build the outdoor cooking stove over here. I started bringing some of them. They're just there, you can see them. There are just a few of them. They are not enough to complete the outdoor cooking stove, but my plan is to add more bricks that are going to be enough to complete the project itself. Yes, and behind this banana tree over here, we have these broken bricks. Yes, you might see maybe they are not that useful. Yes, but I'm gonna use them in a way that will surprise you. They are very useful to me because that outdoor cooking stove that I'm building over there, it is going to have some segments, and one of the segment I'm gonna build it using these broken bricks, and the results I'm sure it is going to surprise you. Yes, from this end I just want to give you the feedback of the work that I have done so far. This is the banana tree that I created some few days. It was a mess, if you remember, but now you can see how it grows. It is growing very nice. Yes, even the lemongrass there, they are growing very nice. Yes, so my aim is to make this space more greener by planting more vegetables, by planting some fruit trees. Yes, and in short, I just want to turn this area to be green and sustainable. Yes, and that is the thing just I want you to learn. Yes, I want you to learn how to utilize your own space sustainably. You can see this is not the big space, but I decided to create those hanging garden so that I can grow some vegetable inside the compound I am living. You can do that also, because space this moment at this time, it is not a problem anymore. You can just use your own creativity to do gardening at your compound. Yes, even if the compound you're living is tiny like this. So that is it. Yes, yes, you can just see what is in front of you right now. Yes, this is the outdoor cooking stove I was telling you that I'm going to build, and this is just the half. We have not completed it yet, so you can now see the structure. As I promised you that this outdoor cooking stove is going to be epic. Yes, a lot of DIY has been applied here. You can see by yourself. So, and it has two chambers. The first chamber is going to be the oven, and the other chamber is just going to be just the normal cooking stove. Yes, and at the middle of this cooking stove, I'm going to put is a food preparation board. So I'm going to put a board where foods will be prepared. Yeah, so that is it. And this is just a tip of the iceberg, because the way I have planned to complete this outdoor cooking stove is very wonderful. I think you are going to like it. I hope you're going to like it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is the end of today's video. So stay tuned for the next video when I'm going to complete it. And as I promised you that my plan is to complete this cooking stove within 2 days if God wishes. So that is my plan. So in case you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, because a lot of good video are going to come this way. So subscribe, like, share and comment, and thank you so much for my returning subscribers. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to me. Thank you, and see you in the next video.